Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, recently I was contacted by a company called DFSJ Eastshine, and they wanted me to take a look at this gramophone, like a desktop gramophone unit. And I was like, yeah, that sounds cool. Send one along, we'll take a look at it, we'll review it, and if it's good, we'll promote it on the show. So they sent it. Now here's what I got. This is the box that came. So as you can see, for scale, it's a lot smaller than I was expecting, but it's heavy, and this thing costs $129, I believe. Let's see, I want to make sure I get that. Yes, $129. So it should have a lot of value and features for a price like that. So we're going to unbox it in just a second here, take a look, and see what we think. And yeah, you're not going to want to miss this.
This is Record-ology.
You know, if you're anything like me, getting a new package in the mail is exciting pretty much no matter what. Unless you're getting a prep kit for a colonoscopy or something of that nature, you know, you're going to be pretty much excited for about anything else that you might get. So this looks really, really cool. And I love Amazon stuff. I think it's super cool. So yeah, I really have no idea what we're in for. We're just going to kind of experience this together. This is a true unboxing experience. That looks awesome. Look at that. It looks so cool. I'm guessing it doesn't play real records. Britain Brown, Ivory White, Rosewood Red, Acid Branch Red. Oh, that's a lovely color. What is that? Acid Branch? Red Bronze, Champagne Gold, Britain Brown again, and Rosewood Red. Okay, I get it. That's the same color. Okay, never mind. All right, so we're going to go. Oh, yeah, and there's some icons up here. USB reading, USB charging, auxiliary input, Bluetooth 4.2, Chinese and English voice, and super bass. What is this thing? Is it like a smart speaker? Or like a really fancy Bluetooth speaker? What on earth? Look at this thing. Mini phonograph. Looks like a wood horn. I mean, it looks like a turntable. Look at this thing. The best art. Suitable for hotel, coffee shop, restaurant, sample house, and yoga room. If you have a sample house, this is what you need to get. High-end gift. It's very nice to be used as a gift for birthday party, wedding, opening ceremony, anniversaries, and so on. Not recommended for closing ceremonies. Nice handle. Cool, look at the different colors. Look at this. This thing is so cool. On the side here we got some stats. This is really, really cool. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's just, I've never seen anything like it. Made in China. All right, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, guys. This is probably the most mysterious review just because I don't exactly know what this thing does. Mini phonograph user manual. Okay, set that aside. Looks like we got like a clamshell styrofoam packing here, so the best art. Great for coffee shops, opening ceremonies. Okay. Alright, big reveal. Cool! Wow! I mean, these are like metal parts. Look at this. Power supply. Audio cable. The horn. And the gramophone. Oh, it's heavy. It's really heavy. Look at this thing. That is like a high quality feel to it. That thing is heavy. I guess I'll start by taking the wrapping off of this thing. This is super cool. Wow. You ever get a present, you had no idea you were going to get it, and you end up loving it? This is what I feel like this is like. Man, this thing is cool. Look at this. It is like bronze metal. It smells like a shop class project, kind of like new paint. You know what's interesting? Anytime there's a replica phonograph, they always put these on backwards. It's got some play to it. I don't know if it's a switch or something. MEAEAL. And it's got this plastic piece on the front with USB, transport controls, power. There's like a headphone jack there. Speaker grill with like some padding in there, but that's rigid. On the back here we have the model number, website meageal.com. And then this is a power port with a nice little rubber seal on there. Interesting. Then another speaker on this side. Oh look, a big old honking speaker on the bottom here. Look at that. That is so bizarre. This thing must weigh 6-7 pounds. Rubber feet and a speaker. I'm glad I didn't stick my finger through that. And then right there, oh look at that. I thought this was just going to be like an open hole, but it looks like there's some sort of pin connection in there where that horn connects. So is that a speaker? And then look at the bottom here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? While we're up close, take a look at everything up close. Look at this. Just bizarre. This thing is heavy. Those buttons on the front there. Looks so cool. Okay. So I'm going to attach the horn, which is a tweeter. That's actually a tweeter, you guys. This is amazing. Look, okay, I have to show you again. Something up close. Look at this. There's the connection. This is actually electronics. See if I can. Hard to see. There's a speaker in there. And we're just going to connect it. Looks like it goes in like that and then rotates in. I don't know if that's it. Look at this thing. It's so cool. I love it. Something I never even knew I needed, but I need it. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in. This is bizarre. The paint smell is like a throwback to junior high. It smells like shop class. It literally does. Power it up.
Started Bluetooth.
Started Bluetooth. Okay. It says look for MJ109. There it is.
Connected.
All right, let's go ahead and play something. Okay, here's a little Bach. Whoa! No way. There's no way, you guys. This thing is filling this room like nobody's business. I wish this thing kind of snapped in. It makes contact, but it doesn't like, I don't know if I'm supposed to like screw it in more. Maybe I should read the directions. But you hear sound out of there. But the bass speaker on the bottom combined with the tweeters and the mid-range, this is insane. The sound quality. Let's try something else here. Let's try something else. Hold on. I'm speechless, you guys. This thing sounds so good. Okay, I'm sold. Guys, highly, highly recommended. This thing is ridiculous. It may not play records, you guys, but what it does do, it does very, very well. Okay guys, and there it is, simple as that. If you want to get your hands on this very cool device, check the link in the description below for a good price, I guarantee it. Alright guys, thank you so much for being there. Happy record hunting. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching Record-ology. Stay tuned for a new show every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check us out on Instagram and Twitter.